what I'll say. When I meet with somebody, I tell them about myself right out of the chute, because I want them to know, basically who it is that they're dealing with, and I ask them to ask me questions. Is there anything personally that they want to know? To the extent that it's within the range of appropriateness, we can do that. But I try and establish a rapport with people. I figure my job is to try and help this person. Now, I don't know this person who's just come into my office, so I understand they may be afraid, they may be angry, their feelings may be displaced or misplaced in some way. So I have to be very careful about how the interviews are done, but at the same time, I want them to know that I'm here to listen to their story. Not necessarily to tell them my story, because my story is my story and it's not the one that anybody is inevitably going to care about. The reason I tell them a little bit about myself is to help them let their guard down so that they're going to be willing to talk about who they are. And then I try and make connections during the conversation, find things in common with them to the extent that that's possible. And if not, just otherwise remain open. And the way to do that is to listen and listen well, and make sure that once they have decided to hire me, that I'm responsive to their questions. And I encourage them to call me, to email me, to talk to my assistants as well, so that there's never a break in the link. Once we link hands, we're together until the end.
I'm glad we went into that a little bit more detail.
Yeah.
So I think that's important.